Hi guys, today we're going to be making easy baked chicken. You will always want to start off with clean chicken. The seasonings I'm going to be using is Sazon Goya Sazon seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and Creole seasoning. You will also want to season both sides. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 spoon of minced garlic, half an onion, and half a bell pepper, and half a stick of butter. I also added 1 cup of water, and now what you want to do is cover with foil, place in your oven on 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. After about 45 minutes in the oven, you'll want to make a slurry, which is just water and flour, and add it to the pan to make a gravy. Once it's finished, place back in the oven on 350 degrees for additional 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, this is it. This is how I make my easy baked chicken, and the cook time, total time, was about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not already.